Ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon and a warm welcome to all of you. I am Shriyal Sethumadhavan, the feature editor of Construction World, and I welcome you all to the Construction Technology Summit presented by Bentley Systems, design and technology partner Autodesk India, supporting partner India BIM Association, and organized by ASAP Info Global Group in association with First Construction Council and Construction World. We thank our speakers, supporting partners, and the lovely audience for virtually joining us today. Building Information Modeling, BIM, has made a revolution in the way we design, construct, and manage our project's life cycle. Day one of the Construction Technology Summit will focus on BIM implementation, its benefits, and application to project lifecycle and tools, technologies, and techniques in BIM. While today's sessions will revolve around smart design with BIM, the discussions on day two, which is tomorrow, will focus on innovation in construction equipment. The Construction Technology Summit is presented by Bentley Systems and organized by ASAP Info Global Group in association with First Construction Council and Construction World. Sharing a quick glimpse to the organizers. The Board of Governors of the First Construction Council, like you can see on the screen, we have the who's who and all the big wigs from the industry on the board. Construction World, 25 years in the running across 800 cities in India and overseas, delivering the most authentic, trusted, and up-to-date timely information on the construction business. These are the various editions that we've come across in the recent months. I'm sure most of you would have had your hands on these. Of course, digital, we all have been going all out the digital way, and our web reach and social reach speaks a lot about how seriously we've taken the digital platform. Also, our audience profile, we cater to all the needs of the entire gamut of the construction industry, be it EPC and engineering companies, manufacturers, suppliers, architect, builders, contractors, consulting engineers, interior designers, plus the financial institutes and the bureaucrat at that level as well. CW Wow. So if most of you would be aware, Construction World on WhatsApp is what CWOW is. It's our business group. All you need to do to be a part of this group is give a missed call on the number that's flashing on your screen, 8657581178. Just give a missed call and save the number, and you would continue receiving updates from us in a more timely basis on everything that's happening in the industry. And yes, CW Gold, it keeps you updated on a more weekly basis with everything that's happening in the construction sector, right from project updates to contracts, financial updates, big ticket projects, industry trends, all of it is there with CW Gold. Right now, for all my viewers, don't miss this opportunity. We are having a 7-day free trial, so you can actually test the benefits of CW Gold for free, and definitely that would be a starting ground to continuously then be associated with CW Gold. And along with that, we have a lot of exciting subscription offers as well. To avail these, to know more about these, at present, these are valid up to 31st of July. So all you need to do is there's an email ID flashing at the bottom of your screen, subscriber@asappinfoglobal.com. You could connect with us through that email ID to avail these offers. And yes, like I mentioned, along with the magazine, we have a pan-India presence, which reflects in our entire team, which is on one side of my screen, and the other side is the links to all our social media handles where you could follow us, like us, and be up to date with everything that we're coming up with in times to come. Our upcoming events, yes, while you are with us today and tomorrow for the Construction Technology Summit, this would be followed by accelerating digitalization in the rail industry, which is scheduled for 29th July, presented by Autodesk, 3 to 5 p.m. So register now and block your calendars. That's not just it. On 30th July, we also have the Intra Steel Summit 2021 that will be scheduled from 3 to 6:30 p.m. on 30th July. Again, register and block your calendars. The most awaited Construction World Architect and Builder Awards 2021 this year is going to be organized on 20th August from 5 to 7 p.m. It's going to be focusing on the theme React, which means respond to the environment, which includes the current pandemic situation that we all are in, with awareness, creativity, and technology. Again, go register now so that you could join us for this awards, where we have our guest of honor on with us, Dr. Vibha Dhawan, Director General of TERI. And this year, we're going to have a series of webinars that are going to be conducted as a countdown to QAP 2021. There are going to be 3 series of webinars. To begin with, on 6th August, we have Designing the Future of Architecture. On my screen, you can see our eminent panel that would be joining us for this discussion. This would be followed by Women in Architecture and Construction on 13th August from 3 to 5 p.m. Again, all the panelists are right here. And 18th August, Design Build Trends. So do join us, register now, and do join us for these events. So I would now like to call upon Mr. Pratap Padode, Editor-in-Chief, Construction World, to welcome the virtual gathering and tell us more about the Construction Technology Summit. Before he joins in, a few words about him. A trailblazer who first blazed a trail in financial journalism with his chartered accountancy background, he turned to addressing the needs of the construction, infrastructure, and manufacturing sectors through ASAP Info Global Group, set up in 1999. Since then, he has spearheaded India's enthusiasm for smart cities through the Smart Cities Council India, set up in 2014, and now lobbies for policy changes as the founder and president of the First Construction Council. Recipient of the Asian Multimedia Publishing Awards and the CIDC Vishwakarma Awards as Best Journalist. As head of the First Construction Council, he has campaigned for steel quality, for emission norms for construction equipment, for changes in the Municipal Act, for changes in land acquisition policies, as he continues to infuse his enthusiasm in building India into a powerful nation. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Pratap Padode.
Good afternoon, and welcome to Construction Technology Summit. As we all know that the construction industry has been getting a bad name for being most reticent in adopting tech. This summit should be a refreshing surprise to many critics of the industry. The summit today will focus on smart design with BIM. So all BIM lovers, fasten your seatbelts as we have a great lineup of experts. Tomorrow we have innovation in construction equipment. So do join in tomorrow to see the action on the ground too. ASAP Info Global Group, publishers of Construction World, have launched Construction World Gold, a digital offering which gives you the power of 5. Construction World, Infrastructure Today, Indian Cement Review, Equipment India, and Project Reporter, plus benefits. So do log in for Construction World Gold. It's truly a gold mine. Estimates of worldwide spending on mega projects are set to be reaching somewhere between 6 to 8 trillion, or 8% of the total global GDP every year. Yet, delays have plagued projects everywhere. Apple headquarters was delayed by nearly 2 years and had a cost overrun of $2 billion. And if you thought Germany would not delay any project, hear this. Berlin's Brandenburg Airport opened on October 31st, 2020, after 9 years of delays and 29 years in making, resulting from faulty construction and design flaws and corruption allegations. And then we have the famous Sagrada Familia. Those of you who have traveled to Spain, after 144 long years of construction, Spain's Sagrada Familia was finally slated for completion in 2026, the 100th anniversary of Antoni Gaudí, the original architect, his death anniversary. Now, however, thanks to COVID pandemic, this project is going to miss that completion date too. Closer home, the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation in India, which monitors infrastructure projects worth 1.5 billion rupees and above. Now, their latest report says that of the 1,737 such projects, 470 reported cost overrun of over 4.5 trillion till April 2021. So we have not been spared either. 525 projects reported time overrun. The ministry has attributed the time overrun to a host of issues, and we know all of them, including land acquisition, forest or environment clearance, lack of infrastructure support and linkages, supply of equipment, fund constraints, geological surprises, change in scope, delay in tendering, shortage of labor, contractual issues, and then of course the obvious state-wise lockdown due to COVID-19, legal cases and law and order situation. So the list of the reasons why projects can get delayed in India is long. What we can do is of course control as many variables as we can. Expenditure incurred on those 1,737 projects till April 2021 is around 13.2 trillion. We are talking big bucks out here, which is 49.3% of the anticipated cost of the projects. All this is taxpayers' money. So technology can make construction precise and timely. It can help plan well and save wastage. I think the important thing here is how can we save wastage by being precise and timely. There is need for cost control, which means wastage has to be curbed. Timeliness is also being rewarded in infra projects with bonuses and in realty projects by helping avoid penalties. You know, we have RERA now, so penalties are around the corner for any delays. So without much ado, it's time to start the Construction Technology Summit. Have a great powering day ahead and see you tomorrow. Thank you.